Welcome to the Scuba Made YouTube channel.
Hey, welcome back guys. I don't know if you can see behind me here, there's APit Autobacs Shinohome. I believe it's the biggest one in Tokyo, maybe even in Japan, I don't know. It looks pretty big, but anyway, I've never been inside, so it's starting to rain out here. And I've came all the way here, so let's go inside and check it out. Okay, so down the bottom we have Pit, in the middle we've got Life and Car Shop, that looks pretty interesting, and up the top we have the Specialty Shop, so let's go. Okay, so there's a lot of cool stuff in here. I just wanted to point out that they've asked me, I asked permission to film in here, but they've asked me not to show the price of anything, so that means I can't really go close to anything, or else you'll probably be able to see the price. But anyway, I'll try and show you a little bit of what's going on in here. It's an awesome shop, like there's so much stuff. It's crazy. Got books and everything through here. This is pretty cool. It shows how the wheel starts, a piece of billet. Then they do that, then they forge and spin and lathe and hand finish. And down there's the finished product. Look at this crazy wheel. That's awesome. So cool. So many wheels. Sick. Right, let's look what else there is. And then all these accessories for here and tools and things. So more books. Like, this is an awesome place. I could definitely spend a fair bit of time here. So much stuff. Cleaning products, just everything, and it's still upstairs. Like suits for working mechanics, like it's just so cool. Oh, that's rad. Seats, rides, cars, oh, the wheels, exhaust, suspension, just everything, stickers, so sick. Oh, I love those lights. I'm trying not to get close to stuff so I don't see the price, just like they are. Oh, there's lights. Let's see. Toys for cars, of course. This is audio equipment, sound deadening. It's crazy. Crazy. What's here? Some sort of makeshift car thing. Well, you can see downstairs from up here as well. It's pretty cool. This is pretty cool. You can see how bright the different lights are. Okay, well, that was a Ferrari. I'm just leaving now, so that was my trip to APit Autobacs, which was highly recommended, and I definitely recommend if you're in the area you'd get to there, because if you're into cars, like obviously I am, that place is cool as anything. And oh, I just noticed there's a nice R32 in there, and that Ferrari's gone in there somewhere. I guess that's their service department. Anyway, it's raining again, so I better get my umbrella out. But anyway, yeah, that was my trip to APit Autobacs, which was awesome. And yeah, if you liked the video, leave a thumbs up, and feel free to comment. I'll try and get back to you. And of course, Ferrari sounds sick. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care.